तो दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा था, अगर हमारा जो अभिलाष सर का बात सुने तो एक पत्थर भी डायमंड हो जाता है, ऐसा एक इनका गाइडेंस का पावर है. सो वी आर ऑल नो रेडी टू लिसन फ्रॉम यू सर.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. Rudresh. Honorable Chairman of Indus Viva Health Sciences, Mr. C.A. Answer, the respected members of the Distributor Advisory Council, country head of United States, my good friend, Mr. Imdadullah Sharif, the patrons of Indus Viva's philanthropic activities, most respected distributors and corporate team. This is really an exciting and very fulfilling moment. 350 weeks in business, a very dynamic business model like direct selling. Surviving 350 week itself is a very big thing. For example, weekly people are asking why you are celebrating 350 weeks. Generally it is monthly, but here it is, the business turnaround is weekly. So 350 weeks completed means 350 business cycles got completed. So you must be knowing European soccer players or American basketball players are getting paid weekly, because highly talented people are only getting paid weekly. That the general world may not be able to understand why Vivites are getting paid weekly. Let them make cross check with the NBA players or European soccer players. So first of all, let me just tell you one important point. The people, those who are listening me, the very first question, why I have to do Indus Viva business? A simple question. I am from a different walk of life. I am doing okay in my life. Why I have to do Indus Viva business? My just simple question: when you are in the age of 13 or 14 or 15, in those days, what dream you had about your future life? Are you maintaining that life today? You may be dreaming a Ferrari, on the other side, staying in a very big mansion and enjoying your holidays in Miami Beach. All those dreams you had during your school days or your university days. And finally, what happened, that we all know. But how can we be so comfortable by missing those cherished dreams? We may be thinking, oh, this is my destiny, this is my Starka problem, or I have born in a middle class family, all my friends, relatives, neighbors, everybody are middle class, so I am also middle class. I am also destined to live a middle class life. So many people have the stigma that past 20 years I have been maintaining a middle class life, so I cannot come out from that middle class life. I will die as a middle class. So those who are keeping that particular notion in mind, I just wanted to tell you, it's all because if you want to go to Dubai, if you get a ticket in Rajdhani Express, you cannot. You have to secure a flight ticket. In the same way, if you want to have a dream life, you need an opportunity of that kind. What is that opportunity? One single answer to this question. You talk to anybody. I am not talking about intellectuals. You talk to even a bichawala on roadside. He will tell you, if you are a businessman, then only you can have a great lifestyle. Businessmen used to have a bigger lifestyle than even celebrities. So the simple point is, we all know that business people only have phenomenal lifestyle or exuberant lifestyle by knowing that we are not getting into a business. It is hypocrisy. We know we have dreams inside. Now we have buried it because we are in early 40s. Okay, dream and all chodo, yeah. So we are returning to an adjusted lifestyle. And we know that only business people can have an extravagant lifestyle. We know that, but still we are not getting into a business. So why we are not getting into a business? Because, simple point, we feel we don't have money to invest. And even people, those who have money, they are keeping that money in bank with a fixed deposit, which you will be getting 7% annual interest. It is just at par with the inflation. In by effect, inflation also 7%, FD also 7%. By effect, you are not earning anything. We know all these things, but still we are doing it. People, those who don't have money, have an excuse. I don't have money, so I'm not into a business. Those who have money, keeping money in bank. Why? Let me answer the second category. The second category is believing that I don't have the expertise to do a business. If I get into a business, whatever money is there in the bank, I will be putting in business. Finally, all that money will go. At least let it be there in the bank. So I don't have the expertise. Second, people are thinking, I don't have money itself to start a business. Who told you you need money to start a business? This is 21st century. In 21st century, the most available resource is money. Who said you need money to start a business? No. Do you think the founders of big companies in the world, they had a lot of money in their pocket to start a business? Absolutely not. Business or entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship is, listen me carefully, an idea plus your ability to influence another person with this idea. First, you need to have an idea. Second, you should be able to influence another person with this idea. Is equal to entrepreneurship. So then some people may be thinking, no idea is coming in my mind here. What to do? If you don't have an idea, we will give you an idea. That idea's name is Indus Viva. It is an idea. I don't have the capacity to influence people here. When I started talking, forget about others. Even my wife will get sleep. Then how can I influence another person? That answer is, my good friend Mr. Varinder explained, Vibrant Viva. Indus Viva will give you an idea. Vibrant Viva will give you, or Vibrant Viva will take care of the influential part or influencing part. You will become an entrepreneur. It is hard to believe, but it's a true fact that Dhirubhai Ambani never had an engineering degree. Never had an engineering degree, but he has constructed world's biggest oil refinery within less than 3 years' time. Even many engineers fail to construct their own house less than 3 years' time. This man, without an engineering degree, without a college, without seeing a college, he has completed the construction of world's biggest refinery, oil refinery, within less than 3 years' time. That is called the business acumen. So the point is very, very clear. Why I am an entrepreneur? My answer is simple. Nothing can reward me as much as entrepreneurship can. My good friend Laldin said, if I could have gone for a job, no bungalow, no car, nothing. The same reason. Nothing can reward you as much as entrepreneurship, so I am an entrepreneur. So the limitation factors of entrepreneurship, you can arrest through Indus Viva and Vibrant Viva. You don't need to have capital here in Indus Viva business. You just need an working capital to do this business. Sounds great? Yes. Then how this business will grow super big? It is because our products have a pull factor. Other products you need to push. You have to talk about the product. You have to advertise the product. But our product, for example, iCoffee. We are telling people, uncle, before using this coffee, you please check your blood sugar level from a laboratory and keep the report in your hand. Change your coffee with iCoffee, drink this coffee for 30 days. Then you check your blood sugar level once again. Then your medical report will tell you whether this product is good or not. My mother, diabetic for 20 years. We have our own coffee trees in our native. We never used the other coffee from the market. She replaced our own homegrown coffee with iCoffee because the medical report. When you have such kind product, next time you will get a call, I need this product. Because even if you're out of station, they have to wait for your arrival because these products won't be available in supermarket. They have to wait for you to come to get the product in hand. When you have that kind of products, when your product have the pull factor, it is very easy to do business. Very easy to do business. You can see when Mercedes launched a new car, the waiting period was 4 months. Nobody thought a 1 crore rupee car, waiting period 4 months. हिंदुस्तान में पैसा है बोस, हमारे पास नहीं है, दूसरा इश्यू है, बट मार्केट में बहुत पैसा है. People will look at the value, not look at the price. So, friends, why Indus Viva is so successful? See, we used to read about Ladakh in newspaper because China is attacking Ladakh, because Ladakh is the northernmost point of India. 6 months, Ladakh is, you cannot enter Ladakh because of the snowfall. From Ladakh, people are talking about eyeballs. After Ladakh, it is China. What more testimony you need? You got testimony all the way from Ladakh. The northern frontier of the country. And you have seen a housewife, single mother. She lost her husband all alone with no business experience, become crorepati. Crorepati means 1 crore rupee ke upar tax paid income in pocket. All the way from Nagaland. After Nagaland is Myanmar, Burma. See, it is like the length and breadth of the country, this business is making noise. But most of the time, own people are not able to realize it. Let me recollect history. Can you believe the wealthiest country in the world, Saudi Arabia, at one point of time, Indian rupee was their official currency. When the rich Gujarati ships are reaching the shores of Saudi Arabia, poor Arabs go to the shores and beg for food packets. And these Gujus used to throw food packets to them. But those Arabs never knew if they could have dig few feet down, black oil. 2 generations before, Arabs never knew this. They were living a poor life. The same way many those Arabs are there in India today. They are making a very struggled life. They are trying to balance, as chairman said, with the 40,000 monthly income, with the 50,000 monthly expenditure, they are living in this country. But they don't know there is an amazing opportunity called Indus Viva is there in the air. You need an antenna. You can see in the air, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Ranbir Kapoor, all are there. You need an antenna to bring it to your TV. Otherwise, you cannot see that. These people have to activate that antenna. Indus Viva is there in the air. Go grab it. Change your life. 20 lakh rupee. How much? 20 lakh rupee fixed income in a week. And variable income is more than 20 lakhs. In a week. Not in a year. In a week. That kind of money, who can expect, dear friends? People, those who have money to invest, like hundreds of rupees only can expect that money. Otherwise, you should be as tall as Hrithik Roshan or Shah Rukh Khan, then also, or Sachin Tendulkar kind of people. Otherwise, not. This is right in front of us. So, dear friends, we are expecting our chief minister will do something for us, prime minister will do something for us. They cannot do anything. They will only look after the vote banks. The poor people, they don't care anything because government is there to look after them. Very rich people like our chairman and sir, they don't need anybody's support. People in the middle like us only are in trouble. We need Indus Viva. This is the issue. So my point is very, very simple. Very, very simple. See, as John F. Kennedy said, what America did for you should not be your concern. What you did for America should be your concern. What Modi ji did for you should not be your concern. What you can do for India should be your concern. So instead of waiting for the government to give you a job, or instead of expecting something else to balance your family budget, rather, please be an entrepreneur. The world's biggest, richest man in the history, John D. Rockefeller, said one point, that is my reason to choose Indus Viva or network marketing. He said, I don't believe in 100% of my own. Rather, I believe in 1% of 99 people. Dear friends, after your job, 1 hour a day you spend for Indus Viva. In a week, it will become 7 hours. If you have 99 people in your organization, total 100 working hours, you shall be benefited for 100 working hours, not for just 1 hour. Not for just 1 hour. My friend Mr. Archit Ramesh beautifully said, you sleep in India, money will come from dollars from America. If you just find out 1 or 2 contacts in America, business will grow there, money will be coming here. People are waiting to go to America. Everyone's biggest dream is want to go to America. Now people are saying Canada. Why? America is not giving visa, so going to Canada. Gold medal is not there, at least let me go with a silver medal. Whereas Americans are doing Indus Viva. See the irony? Indians want to go to America, Americans are behind Indus Viva. So dear friends, there is something called sight and something called insight. Sight, what you see with the eyes. Insight is what you see with your mind. Even if you close your eyes also, you can see. You close your eyes and see Indus Viva, not by opening your eyes. Then you will understand the value of this. The biggest appreciation I have ever received in my life is a wedding invitation. One girl, her marriage didn't happen. One reason, because she had full red boils in her face. Her younger sister got married. She was in a burqa covering full face, and younger sister, full modern girl. I thought the elder one is religious. Later only I came to know this was the reason. When I got an invitation, that invitation she said, I used 3 bottles of iPulse. The old red boils gone. I got a clear complexion. And she wrote one line that I cannot forget in my whole life. This product has reinstated my lost dignity. See, when you are making a product like this, when you are retailing a product like that, the kind of satisfaction it can give, it is amazing. When I am spending 1 rupee for my kids, I am proud because this money is derived from people like those girls. By adding tons and tons of value in their life, from that, some peanuts are coming. See, that is the point. So why Indus Viva? Simple answer is, we have products which has a pull factor. Here you can earn so much and change your life forever. But most of the time, what is happening is, the Chinese says opportunity will come and knock your door once in a while, not every day. Opportunity will come and knock your door once in a while. So let me just complete my speech with one single message again from the history, a true event. One movie shooting was going on in Hong Kong on the top of a tower. The scene was the hero should jump from the top of the tower to the swimming pool in the ground. the hero was ready. The director said, action! The hero was about to jump, but looking at the depth, he got scared, he withdrawn. Movie retake is possible. Sumit ji knows, my Bollywood friend. Then again they took a retake, but hero was unable to jump. Dar nahi hai. So finally, the director realized this fellow will not jump. Then some small level actors around, they are the goons who are supposed to receive the punches from this fellow, from the hero. He asked, at least one of you can act as a dupe, because without this scene, movie cannot proceed further. Then they said, hero is not willing to jump. How come you expect we villains to jump? But one small boy raised his hand and he said, I am ready to jump. And he came forward, he jumped. That was the beginning of a new superstar. The hero was Bruce Lee, but the new hero, Jackie Chan. That one particular moment, if he just missed it, then today Jackie Chan's fate like a side actor receiving punches of other heroes. But today you know who is Jackie Chan. See, dear friends, like this, by touching or by raising the hands or saying yes to Indus Viva, you will become a Jackie Chan. Otherwise, you have the potential to become a Jackie Chan, but you shall be maintaining an intimidated life throughout your life. So, dear friends, this is a company you can rely on. Tell me one commodity, one item which price has not gone up in the past 6 years. Roti, roadside tea, chicken biryani, rice, anything you take, everything price has gone high in the past 7 years. But one company maintaining the product price exactly the same in the past 7 years, and Honorable Chairman has noted that it is not going to increase in the near future also. He has promised. What more we can expect? And compensation plan from the beginning till date, same. No surprise for Vivites. He has clearly told. And let me wind up my speech with a special congratulations to Team Telangana. Last month, they have overtaken Team Punjab and become the #1 state of Indus Viva. So once again, congratulations to all my fellow Vivites. And thank you, compliance team, for this opportunity. May God bless us all. We shall create 1,000 diamonds and create history in this country. May God bless.